Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net, where it's not about faster, it's about focus. Today's focus is how to make a flyer in PowerPoint. We're calling this the cartoon edition, and this is all about low content publishing. Of course, making flyers is going to be for offline marketing, so that'll be a physical product, but the same designs that you're going to be able to get in the product I'm going to show you can be used for digital products as well. So, first things first, let me just show you what I'm talking about. Talking about a product called Easy Flyers from TigerWP.com. So this is the new cartoon edition. As you can see the samples below here, where you can see the covers that you're going to get. And the reason I call them covers is because they're going to come in 8 by 5, 8 by 5 by 11, as well as A4. Of course, these are designed to be flyers. So when you physically print them, you need to understand the concept of the different sizes when you take them to the printer, or of course if you print them at home. Okay, so it's very important that they come in both these sizes, because as you can see here, a quick Google is going to show you the US letter size versus the A4 size. So there is going to be a slight difference that you will need to be aware of if you use these to actually make physical flyers. But the main focus that I'm focused on here is to be able to use them in digital products. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So after you purchase Easy Flyers, you're going to get access to your downloads. So once you come in here, you'll see here the front end, the first product that you buy, you can get 70 pro quality local business flyers. Of course, there's different OTOs or upsells where you can get 50 more. You can get 120 modern flyers, retro flyers. Of course, you'll see those on the sales page when you go through the process when you go to pick up this product. So once you download those, what you'll have is you'll have the files here. They'll come in a zip file, and then you'll be able to open them, and you'll have the PowerPoint and the PSD file, as well as some directions on how to use the different fonts if you don't already have them preloaded. Okay? So before we get into PowerPoint, I want to show you that this product also comes with video training on how to edit these flyers with PowerPoint. So not only do you get the done for you covers and images and everything ready to go, ready to be edited inside of PowerPoint, you're going to get 40 videos here all about PowerPoint and how to use PowerPoint to edit graphics and make book covers, make videos, slideshows, of course make these flyers, and you're going to have the access to all 40 of those videos once you pick this up. So this is not just about the done for you product, it also comes with training. So let me show you real quick again. Once you get the product, of course, this is the Architect 8 by 5 by 11, and I'm going to show you the auto detailing PowerPoint slide in the A4 size. So we'll hop over to PowerPoint real quick, and as you can see right here, it's pretty standard PowerPoint, and you go into the design slide, you look at the slide size, and you can see here in the page setup, this is set to 8.5 inches by 11 inches, and it's ready to be edited. And of course, these are just drag and drop. As you can see, they played around here with the fonts, and they built this so you get this nice little effect. And of course, the images here, like I said, the images are yours to use as you want. Of course, you could just duplicate this as well. So you could duplicate this slide, and then once you duplicate it, you could just delete the whole thing and start over from scratch. So of course, you would just go in here, select these and start deleting them. Select the entire thing and delete it, and then as you can see here, you would have in the background itself is movable and editable. So you have everything in here is fully customizable inside of PowerPoint, ready for you to use either as a physical product when you create a flyer, an ebook cover. Of course, here on 30minutemarketing.net, I've covered low content publishing and puzzle books. I'll go ahead and I'll leave a card here that shows you how to create a puzzle book. And of course, you could use these same images here, like the images of the guy, of course, or the background, to create covers for your puzzle books or inside of your puzzle book. Okay, of course, this was the 8.5 by 11. It also comes with the A4. So if you were to hop under design, you'll see here that this one has been set up as an A4 paper size right there, and you can see the width and the height in inches is a little bit different. As you can see, this comes with a little new graphic here, and the cover here is unique and different from the other one. So all 70 of these plus the training get you all set up inside of PowerPoint. The videos are going to walk you through exactly how to use PowerPoint. You're going to have all the images, all the graphics, and you're going to be ready. You're going to be off. You're going to be set. Of course, again, you can use these, like I said, in the puzzle books. You can use these to create flyers for offline. If you have offline customers that need flyers, you can use them for e-cover books. Use them to make e-covers, sell as your own product, even use them over on Kindle. But I just wanted to make sure that you see the inside of this product that gives you all the information that you need, as well as the graphics that you need to use PowerPoint to make flyers, and of course anything else that needs a cover. All right, hope this was quick. I hope it was informative. And I hope you liked it. So give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down how I can make it better for you. Of course, this is 30minutemarketing.net. I'm Gary Baker. I want to thank you for your time. Appreciate you watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.